Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Corinne. For those of you who don't know yet, I am currently preparing to go and work on a cruise ship. I will be working on the Anthem of the Seas, so I'm super excited. Today I'm actually flying out to London. My flight is at 10 p.m. tonight, so I'm just trying to make sure that I have everything all set and ready to go. I have all of my bags that are right here. I only have a few more things left to pack and then I'm going to be all set. So I have both of my suitcases here that are ready to go. Royal Caribbean has graciously paid for 2 checked bags, so that is always amazing. And then I do have my carry-on bag. I'm bringing this duffel bag slash backpack, so much easier to carry than another carry-on. And then I also have my purse right over here. I just need to pack this last dress, a few extra items that I do have on my bed. I need to empty out this purse and then I'll be ready to go. Hi guys, future me just wanted to pop in here and talk about one of my favorite jewelry brands, Ana Luisa. As you may have seen previously on my channel, I have talked about Ana Luisa's jewelry. It is a brand that I really do love, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them today to be able to talk about some of their pieces and some of my favorite pieces. I've been wearing Ana Luisa jewelry for over the past year now. It's been quite some time, and I do find that their jewelry is very high quality and super affordable. The main thing that I really do want to talk about with you guys today is the products. Do they last? Do they tarnish? Can you wear them with water and all of that stuff? So as I've previously said, I have owned their jewelry for over a year now, and there are some pieces that I do like to wear every day. So for example, this necklace right over here with like little flowers is something that I do like to wear quite a bit, as well as this sea necklace. And I don't like to take my jewelry off when I go to shower, which is why I always make sure to buy high quality jewelry that will last and not just get tarnished as soon as you wear it in the water and start turning green. So that is something that I really do like. I did want to talk about this bracelet that I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show it to you guys so you guys can really see the detail. I do have it super loose. I will make it tighter soon. I just haven't had the chance to yet. This bracelet has not shown very many signs of tarnishing, so I have found like one tiny little spot where I can see that it is starting to get used, but overall this bracelet has done super well, and I will definitely purchase more bracelets from Ana Luisa. Another thing that I wanted to talk about were their earrings. So I am someone who does not change my earrings. Like, I'll keep them in for an entire year without changing them unless I'm putting on a specific outfit for an event or something really in particular. But earrings, I don't change. I have had this first pair. I don't quite remember the name. I will link all of these pieces down below in the description box though, so you guys can shop them if you like. But these specific earrings I have not taken off in so many months. It is not funny, and they have not tarnished one bit. So in the time that I've had this jewelry, which has been over a year, the jewelry has worn super well. As always, if you guys would like to shop Ana Luisa, I will have a link that you guys can just go ahead and click to save you some money when shopping for some very affordable and super cute sustainable jewelry. Now let's get back to the video. Hello, I just made it to my hotel in London. I'm staying at the Courtyard Marriott. It is a very nice hotel. I was really surprised that Royal put us in such a fancy hotel. Yeah, so I'm just waiting here. I do have a roommate. She's gonna be in that other bed, but she's not here yet. I only have to spend one night here, and then I will be joining Anthem tomorrow. So on the 7th of July, I will be joining Anthem. I believe my pickup time is like 5:30 a.m. So I really need to make sure that I get a good night's sleep tonight, especially with the time difference going from Quebec all the way to London. It's only 5 hours, but still 5 hours ahead makes a difference. So I'm just gonna sit down, get settled, see what's around. I'm gonna go grab some food. So I will see you guys very, very soon. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm all packed up and ready to go. Sorry, I'm filming some of this video on my iPhone just because I don't have time to take out my camera and all that. It is currently 5:07 a.m. so I'm kind of right on time and ready to go. Let's head downstairs for breakfast. So I'm all checked in. They just gave me a few documents. I'll show you guys in just a quick second, and then I'll show you guys where exactly I am. So like normal, we always get a few things. I just got our little lanyard. I'm not going to show you guys my info there, but we also got this. This is where we put our C-Pass card. They gave us a super cute little welcome booklet. And then I'm in the terminal here. I just opened up my safety info, and I guess they want to keep me here till January 29th. Also, I'm a red card. I'm not going to show you guys the info, but yeah, I'm a red card. Hello guys, and welcome from Anthem. So I successfully signed on this morning. I had to do a few trainings, and then I've just been walking around the ship kind of trying to familiarize myself with where my workspace is and basically where everything in the ship is as well, because as you guys know, this is a completely different class of ship. So this class, the Quantum class, is much smaller and very different from Oasis class, which is what I was previously on. I'll give you guys a super quick room tour just to show you guys kind of a sneak peek into my life before I actually get to decorating. I did start unpacking, but only a little bit. I still have quite a bit left to do. But no, for now I will show you guys the room. Starting right over here, we do have the doorway. My roommate just has a whole bunch of like hooks all around the room with a whole bunch of her stuff. I just put my Wonder jacket right over here. I started taking out my magnets and a few other things. We do have one shared TV, which is totally fine because I never even really use a TV. I have my iPad and also my laptop. My roommate has this tiny little storage rack here. I started unpacking some of my shoes, but I still have a full suitcase to unpack. Just some more of my stuff here. This is where I am sleeping. I will be on the top bunk again, sadly, but I am only here for 5 weeks, so I don't mind as much. And then over here we do have some storage space. I started putting a few things down, but I haven't really done that much. This is my closet so far. I really do love the way I started organizing it. I'm so happy I brought some of my bins from home. Put pants. I brought my lovely felt hangers. So I've put away some of my dresses already. And I do have 2 more bins. You can't really see, but there's 2 more bins in the back there. Then some space for bras and underwear. And then the bathroom. This is like the mirror. I don't understand why it's not a full mirror. It's kind of weird. The bathroom's kind of dated. As you guys know, this ship came out in 2015. I started putting my stuff over there. And I do have a few things here. But I still have a lot left to unpack. So that's it for now. Mini room tour before I get to cleaning and decorating. Hello everyone, I thought I'd just give you a super quick update. So my first day on board went super well. I met my entire team, I got some work in, and I had a lot of fun. It's really nice being back on ships. Obviously this is a different ship, so it's very, very different. I have to kind of relearn everything, but that's okay. I've learned pretty quick, so it's always nice. The guests seem super nice, so that's great. And the port of Southampton is actually really, really nice. So I'm excited to get to explore there in the next few weeks because that is our turnaround port. We will always be docking back in London. So we are actually on our way to Norway for this entire first week, for my first week on board. I think we have 5 or 4 stops in Norway, which is going to be super fun. So I really do hope I have some time off so I can go and explore just a little bit, because I've never been to Norway before. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my travel day, getting here, and then my first day on the ship, and also my super tiny quick room tour that I did show you guys. I have started decorating, as you can see behind me. I did put up some pictures, but I haven't put up my lights yet. So I will get that done in the next few days, and then I will actually give you guys a proper room tour. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the post notifications so you guys know when I post my next ship video. Love you and see you soon. Bye!